Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
And if you're looking for a high quality area rug that's so easy to keep clean, but it's also affordable, then you're not going to want to miss this by YJ.GWL. This is their 6x9 blue and brown area rug, and it looks great in our home. I like that I can run my vacuum over this rug with ease. It's 0.3 inches, it's a low pile microfiber rug. If I do accidentally spill, it's nice that the liquid kind of pools up at the top of the rug, giving me time to clean it without it staining or falling through the rug. I could also wash this in the washing machine for high traffic areas to keep it clean. It looks really nice underneath my dining room table, and it works really great on hard flooring or hard surfaces because of this rubber backing, and it's an anti-slip backing too. I find that it's weighted down just so well enough that it does not curl up on the corners, but it stays flat to the surface. And the texture is smooth. It's a highly dense rug, and it's really cozy looking at it in my living room. It really adds this nice boho vintage look with these neutral browns, and then you have this nice rich blue as well. This is also an no shedding rug. I haven't had any shedding at all. The quality of this rug is superb, and I really enjoy walking on it. So it looks cozy, but it also feels cozy to me as well while walking on it. It's smooth and soft. And if you're looking to add a little bit of warmth, maybe just a little charm into your home, I think this one hits all of the marks, and I highly recommend it.
I love this rug, but that's just my point of view.